Churro-Making Machine. Starting with a churro-making machine is one of the most direct ways to enter the fast food business. These machines are easy to find on Amazon, Mercado Libre, or through restaurant equipment suppliers, with prices typically ranging from $50 to $150, depending on whether the model is manual or electric. The real strength of this business lies in its costs. The basic ingredients are inexpensive and easy to source, and each churro costs only a few cents to produce. Getting started is simple: a solid recipe, a clearly defined point of sale, from WhatsApp orders to fairs or events, and attractive presentation. The margins are where everything comes together. Selling each unit for 50 cents to $1, and much more if you add fillings, allows for steady cash flow. With just 100 churros a day, revenue can range between $50 and $100 daily, exceeding $1,500 per month. It's not a passive business and requires care with oil handling and hygiene, but it responds quickly and pays for itself in a very short time. Artisanal Candle Making Machine. The artisanal candle business operates in a different league, slower pace but higher value per unit. Kits or machines can be purchased online for amounts ranging from $40 to $120, depending on molds and accessories. Here, the differentiator isn't mass production, but building a concept: aromatic, decorative, or gift candles. Although there is a small learning curve with fragrances and finishes, the result is a product with high perceived value. A candle that costs just a few dollars to make can easily sell for $10 to $25 if the brand is well developed. With modest sales of 5 to 10 candles per day, it's possible to exceed $1,200 per month. It doesn't generate immediate cash like food does, but in return it offers a more elegant, scalable, and physically less demanding business. Manual Cup Sealing Machine. This machine doesn't sell on its own, but it completely transforms any beverage business. It can be found in restaurant supply stores or marketplaces for between $80 and $200 and allows you to offer juices, smoothies, or frappés with a professional finish that inspires confidence. Sealing not only prevents spills, it also justifies a higher price. Getting started is strategic: a short menu, compatible cups, and a location with good foot traffic or local delivery. With drinks selling for $3 to $5 and low costs when buying supplies in bulk, selling just 30 to 50 units a day can generate over $2,000 per month. Daily logistics and fresh ingredients are the main challenge, but the operation itself is simple and highly profitable. Shaved Ice Machine. If what you're looking for is absolute simplicity, this machine is hard to beat. For prices ranging from $60 to $180, you get a piece of equipment that's easy to use and requires almost no maintenance. The business can be up and running in a matter of hours. Ice, syrups, cups, and that's it. It works especially well in warm climates, fairs, and events, where volume is everything. Each shaved ice costs just cents to make and sells for $2 to $4, allowing for very solid daily income. In peak season, selling between 50 and 100 shaved ices can translate into more than $1,500 per month. The downside is its dependence on the weather, but as a fast, low-cost, and easy-to-run business, it offers one of the best short-term effort-to-profit ratios. Cookie Making Machine. A cookie-making machine opens the door to a simple, repeatable business that is very easy to scale from home. It can be purchased online without difficulty for prices that usually range from $40 to $120, depending on whether it is manual or electric. From there, everything works in your favor: low-cost ingredients, simple recipes, and a product that almost always drives repeat purchases. The real work lies in differentiation, whether through classic cookies, filled varieties, decorated options, or premium versions. Sales work especially well through custom orders, weekly boxes, or events. Each cookie costs just cents to produce, but sells for between $1 and $3, and when sold in boxes, the average ticket increases significantly. With a pace of 50 cookies per day, monthly income can exceed $1,400. It requires organization and baking control, but it is a stable business, manageable from home, and with strong branding potential. Chocolate Melting Machine. This piece of equipment is not about volume, but about margin. Chocolate melting machines can be found in specialty stores or marketplaces with prices ranging from $60 to $200 depending on capacity and temperature precision. Its main advantage is control. It prevents common mistakes and allows you to create artisanal products with a professional finish. Truffles, chocolate-covered fruit, or personalized chocolates are perceived as premium gifts, which automatically raises the final price. Although the raw material is not the cheapest, the added value more than makes up for it. A product that costs just a few dollars to make can sell for between $10 and $30 if the presentation is well executed. With only 20 to 30 units per week, it's possible to generate between $500 and $1,000 per month. It requires attention to temperature and storage, but offers high margins and an audience willing to pay more. Bread-Making Machine. Few machines offer as much stability as a bread maker. It can be found in supermarkets and online stores for prices ranging from $70 to $200, and it allows you to enter a market with guaranteed daily demand. Bread is inexpensive to produce, but when positioned as an artisanal product, whole wheat, sourdough, or specialty flavored, the margins improve significantly. The business usually starts locally: neighbors, small shops, weekly subscriptions, or neighborhood delivery. A loaf can cost less than $1 to produce and sell for $3 to $6 without difficulty. With sales of 10 to 20 loaves per day, it's possible to exceed $2,000 per month. The main demands are consistency and early schedules, but in return, you get a predictable business with loyal customers. Orange Juice Press Machine. Fresh orange juice fits perfectly with the healthy consumption trend, and this machine makes it viable as a business. It's easy to find online or in restaurant supply stores, with prices ranging from $80 to $250 depending on whether it is manual or automatic. The main cost is the fruit, but buying in bulk makes the margins very attractive. Getting started is fast, selling by the cup or bottle, ideal for breakfast service, offices, gyms, or local delivery. A cup of juice costs less than $1 to produce and sells for between $3 and $5. With just 20 to 40 sales per day, monthly income can exceed $1,600. Freshness and supply are key, but the operation is simple, fast, and offers excellent profitability per unit. Crêpe-Making Machine. The crepe business combines speed with a clearly premium perception. Machines are easy to find in restaurant supply stores and online marketplaces, with prices typically ranging from $80 to $250 depending on size and power. From there, the numbers work in your favor. The ingredients are inexpensive and easy to source, and each crepe costs only a few cents to produce. The key lies in how it's sold. A short, well-designed menu with sweet and savory options makes it possible to operate from home, at fairs, events, or even as a mobile food stand. Customization is its greatest strength, as every extra ingredient adds to the final price. Selling between 20 and 30 crepes per day, monthly income can exceed $2,000. It requires constant exposure to heat and maintaining a steady preparation pace, but in return, it offers speed, high margins, and a product that feels crafted and appealing to customers. Custom Sticker Making Machine. This business operates more in the digital world than the physical one. The initial investment, an appropriate printer and a cutting plotter, ranges from $150 to $400 depending on equipment quality. Once set up, per unit costs are minimal: adhesive paper and ink. The real value here is customization. Stickers for brands, streamers, events, schools, or gifts perform very well when sold through social media and online orders. There are no fixed hours or need for a physical storefront, and production happens only after a sale is made. A pack can be sold for between $5 and $15 with very wide margins. With consistent sales of 5 to 10 packs per day, it's possible to generate between $500 and $1,000 per month. It requires basic knowledge of design and digital marketing, but it's a modern, scalable business with little physical wear. Embroidery Machine. The embroidery machine falls into a more professional category. It can be found in specialty stores or marketplaces, with prices ranging from $300 to $1,000 depending on features, which means a higher upfront investment, but also a more solid return. The business revolves around garment customization: t-shirts, caps, uniforms, or corporate apparel. Once the machine is paid off, the cost per embroidery is low, while the selling price remains high thanks to the professional finish. Getting started is usually local. companies, sports teams, schools, or entrepreneurs looking to build brand identity. A single embroidery can sell for between $8 and $25. With just 3 to 5 orders per day, monthly income can exceed $2,500. It requires basic knowledge of design and digital marketing, but it's a modern, scalable business with little physical wear. Vacuum sealing machine. This piece of equipment stands out for its versatility. Vacuum sealing machines are easy to find at prices ranging from $80 to $300, and they allow you to work both with your own products and by offering services to third parties. Costs are low and predictable, but the real value lies in extending the shelf life of food. The business can start by offering sealing services to small producers, home kitchens, butcher shops, or food entrepreneurs. Charging per unit or per batch generates steady, repeat income. With a flow of 20 to 40 packages per day, it's possible to reach more than $1,600 per month. It's a clean, organized, and easy-to-run business. The biggest challenge is building a client network, but once achieved, it becomes very stable.